Welcome to Automotive News Channel, your premier destination for in-depth reviews, the latest car releases, and comprehensive analyses of cutting-edge vehicles from around the globe. If you're passionate about automobiles and crave detailed insights into the newest models, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Front design. The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor presents a bold and aggressive front fascia. The signature Ford grille is flanked by C-clamp LED headlights, providing a distinctive look. The sculpted hood with functional air vents enhances engine cooling and adds to the vehicle's rugged appeal. Side profile. From the side, the Ranger Raptor's muscular stance is evident. Flared wheel arches accommodate the 33-inch all-terrain tires mounted on 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels. The high ground clearance of 10.7 inches and the aggressive side steps underscore its off-road readiness. Rear design. The Ranger Raptor maintains its athletic design. The LED taillights, integrated tow hooks, and dual exhaust outlets emphasize its performance credentials. The tailgate features the Ranger embossing, adding a touch of sophistication. Interior design. The 2025 Ranger Raptor offers a blend of ruggedness and modern technology. The cabin features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats with Raptor-specific accents. The 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Sync R4A provide intuitive access to vehicle functions and connectivity. Additional features include a Bang & Olufsen IR sound system, dual-zone climate control, and advanced driver assistance systems, engine and performance. The Ranger Raptor is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost R V6 engine, delivering 405 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and the advanced four-wheel drive system with an electronically controlled 2-speed transfer case. The vehicle also features front and rear locking differentials, Fox Team 2.5-inch live valve shocks, and a Watts Link rear suspension, ensuring exceptional off-road performance and handling. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor masterfully combines powerful performance, rugged design, and advanced technology. Its bold exterior, well-appointed interior, and robust engine make it a compelling choice for those seeking a mid-sized truck with serious off-road capabilities. Whether navigating city streets or tackling challenging terrains, the Ranger Raptor delivers a refined and exhilarating driving experience. appnews.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this review insightful, please like, share, and subscribe to Automotive News Channel for more in-depth automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Ford Ranger Raptor and which vehicle you'd like us to review next.